This brand is made in Mexico by Carrier and is sold by dealers in the USA and Canada. All of the units feature a durable baked-on finish for the outdoor units as well as refrigerant leak detection. They are backed by a very good guarantee when promptly registered. The entry-tier 38mm HvacRepairGuy models are heat pumps with a 17 SEER, while the 38mm HvacRepairC units are for cooling only. They are available in either 115-volt or 208/230-volt systems and are used with the high-wall indoor units. The indoor units have 4 fan speeds and a coated coil to resist corrosion. The remote control can be used as a temperature sensor and includes a turbo mode for quick cooling. The mid-tier 38mm AR units are 25 SEER premium heat pumps that can serve one zone, while the 38mm GvacRepairB models can serve up to 5 indoor units from a single outdoor unit. They can be used with either high-wall or ceiling cassette indoor units. The high-tier 38mm PRA models are ultimate heat pumps with a 42.5 SEER efficiency rating, and they are very quiet in operation. The indoor units have a built-in occupancy sensor for energy savings as well as built-in Wi-Fi, so they can be controlled by a smartphone.